watching HQ BMW Tuesday night for tuner tailgate with red light sorority and not available. We're heading off to meet up with them. It's a bit of a invite slash secret meeting. It's available to everybody as long as you DM not available or the red line team and get your name put on the list to be allowed to attend the car meet. They're just doing it to make sure that they can weed out some of the people that cause the problems with the revving and stunting and all that stuff. And as well, if you do get accepted and you go and you don't follow any of the rules, you will never be allowed back. I appreciate what they're doing. I think it's a great idea, and it allows new people to come out and check it out and, you know, come out to the local car meets and see and meet all the car enthusiasts around Calgary without getting into trouble, without having the police involved, and it being a nice casual meetup and everyone enjoying their cars just like it's supposed to be. So we're just waiting for Marty. We're gonna head out with Marty, head down to the meetup and go say hi to everybody. Should be a good time. I got the drone for the first time this year. It's all charged up, camera's all charged up. I'm gonna bring you guys along, so keep watching and stay tuned, and let's head down there. I think that's the car that Marty wrapped. Matt Hill, seen him before. New wrap looks good. Here we got the red line gang. Cars are all looking super mint. First time checking out the new wrap. What a sick color. I love how bright that is. That looks epic. Dope. Wheels look incredible. Got Manny. He's from Not Available.
Yeah, fuck, we're going.
And the one that I wanted to check out.
Hey, hello, come on.
This is car. Look at the color of those wheels. That is sick. So clean. Interiors on Audis are amazing. But you gotta see the trunk. Look at that tank setup. So clean. Man. That Audi with the hard line, that is some kind of special. Then we got She's So Cute on Instagram, looking mighty clean. Nice little Miata, super clean. Gorgeous steering wheel. Got a row of BMWs. Oh, the Nissan just pulled up. John's new M2. Absolute beast. So gorgeous. And we got a dealership car out for some publicity and photos. Some more Audis. Cool little hardtop convertible S2000. That's super clean. Check out this. At Mitchell on Instagram. That's very nice stance. Here we got Maria's favorite car. She just loves that wrap. We got Danny's Lupo, looking sweet, or I guess looking cute. Super dope turnout. It's pretty nice. Nice gold wheels. And then another white Beamer. Clean Subi. That's an awesome color. That purple looks wicked. We got another crew of guys rolling in. Seen that one before. Supa rolling up in the Volvo wagon. Old Mustang, that looks good. Ghost Gang, Subi, sweet. We have a professional at work here.
Oh, look at my shotty.
No pressure, no pressure at all. Absolutely worst conditions for doing this, but it'll look smart when it's done. Porsche has a crazy exhaust on it. I'm sure it's a wrap. Yeah, man. Getting darker, so the lights are coming on. Yes, the lights are coming on. We got some more one-up lighting. Looks sick. Yolanda's got some super sick aero from Infamous. Don't want to get cut with that. That'll freaking rip your ankles open. Looks dope though. Finishes off the rear end so nicely. Oh, white wheels. Something about white wheels. Check out this new Corolla. That's crazy. Doesn't even look like a Corolla. Again, white wheels. So nice. Very, very nice. You got Isaac's Golf R. We waving. That looks so clean. We got custom decals, YYC, Audi, and pistachio green Subaru. It's a pretty cool color, not gonna lie. On bags as well. We got a super nice wide body BMW. Super clean. That looks good.